I've mentioned quite a few times in my videos, practice like you show and show like you practice. And I try to show you in my videos how I do that and how important that is. And it's important for the horse because it helps the horse when you take him to someplace new, it helps him to understand what he's supposed to do. But the other thing that does is when you go someplace new, that gives you a routine to fall back into. And it helps you with your nervousness riding in a new place, your nervousness going in a show pen. I just showed Trigger at the Mustang Spectacular, and I posted in one of the videos our warm-up. And you'll see in that warm-up, I rode him there exactly like you see me ride here, and which includes a lot of standing in the arena. At that show, I showed like I practiced. Everything there was exactly the same as it was here preparing to go to the show. So I can't stress that enough, how important that is, that you have the same routine every time you get on your horse. I walk the circles. You don't have to do that. I know other trainers that do some different things. You don't have to do that, but your routine needs to be exactly the same every time you get on, and you need to be directing that horse's attention. I just did a video on this horse. This is Rooster, talking about how important it is to direct his attention, and not directing his attention, he acts like he's spooky, and he's not really spooky. He needs a leader, and I see that issue in a lot of situations where the horse isn't a bad horse, but it needs a leader, and the horse acts spooky because it don't have a leader, because the rider isn't being that leader. The first couple days this horse was here, a day or two, it took us a day or two to really figure out, was he scared or did he need a leader? Because you handle the two different. If he is scared, we're going to back off a little bit, do a little desensitizing. If he just needs a leader, we're just going to take the rein or take the lead rope and say, hey, let's go do this thing. It's handled totally different, and you need to be able to look at the horse and tell which horse you have. So as you're following through and watching the videos of this horse, this is Rooster, keep that in mind in his future videos, that even though he's a horse that can be interpreted as scared, he's not scared. And the fact that I am practicing like I'm going to show, and we're keeping him in that same routine, that was good for Trigger, and that's going to be good for this horse as he goes forward in training. So this is Rooster. I'll have a playlist of his videos coming out. Until next time, thank you for watching.